Hello, golf cart enthusiasts. Welcome back. Today, we're diving into a question that frustrates many golf cart owners. Why does my golf cart keep breaking? In this video, we'll explore the real reasons behind your cart's recurring breakdowns and share practical tips on how to fix and even prevent these issues. Whether you're using an electric or gas-powered model, the same maintenance mistakes and wear and tear problems can sneak up on you. Let's break it down. Overview of common issues. When your golf cart starts acting up, it can be hard to know where to start. After digging into expert advice and maintenance guides, here are the top issues we keep seeing. Battery breakdown. Let's start with the heart of your golf cart, the battery. Batteries are the #1 culprit behind a cart that just won't start. Many owners neglect regular checks on their batteries, leading to corrosion on the terminals, low water levels in lead-acid batteries, or even using a battery that's simply too old. Here's what you need to know. Over time, terminals can accumulate corrosion. A simple cleaning with a wire brush and a baking soda solution can make a huge difference. For lead-acid batteries, always use distilled water to top up the battery. Low water levels reduce efficiency and can cause permanent damage. Never let your battery fully discharge. Make it a habit to charge it after every use. These battery issues, if not managed properly, are frequently the primary cause of breakdowns. Solenoid and ignition troubles. Next up is the solenoid and ignition system. Many of you might have noticed that distinctive clicking sound when you press the accelerator. That sound means your solenoid is working, transferring power from the battery to the motor. But if you stop hearing that click, it's a red flag. Here's why this matters. The constant electrical arcing can damage the contact plate. Over time, if the solenoid is compromised, your cart may not receive enough current to start. Also, as with batteries, the wiring behind the ignition can suffer from loose connections or corrosion, interrupting the power flow. These issues often require a thorough inspection. If cleaning and tightening don't work, it might be time to replace the solenoid or ignition components. Motor and electrical system challenges. Moving on to the motor and overall electrical system. If your cart is starting up but then losing power or stalling, the problem might be deeper. The motor itself can have issues like worn brushes or broken field coils that prevent efficient power transfer. Additionally, electrical problems like corroded or loose wiring can interrupt the flow of electricity, causing unpredictable behavior. Be sure to use a voltmeter to check if the motor is receiving proper voltage. Look for any signs of damage, corrosion, or frayed cables. Sometimes the issue lies with the speed controller or potentiometer, which regulates acceleration. Even small issues in the motor or electrical system can lead to your cart breaking unexpectedly. Mechanical and routine maintenance. Beyond the electrical components, your golf cart's mechanical parts also play a huge role in its overall reliability. Neglecting simple tasks like checking tire pressure or inspecting brake pads can lead to further problems down the line. Here are some areas to focus on. 1. Tire pressure. Low or uneven tire pressure increases resistance and can strain the motor, eventually causing breakdowns. 2. Brake systems. Worn-out brake pads or loose cables not only compromise safety, but can also create additional wear on other parts of the cart. 3. Loose bolts and suspension. Periodically tighten nuts and bolts and inspect the suspension. A secure frame prevents undue stress on the motor and battery. A well-rounded maintenance schedule, covering both electrical and mechanical systems, is your best defense against unexpected breakdowns. Preventative measures. So, what's the real reason your golf cart keeps breaking down? In many cases, it all comes down to neglecting routine maintenance. Whether it's failing to charge your battery properly, skipping regular cleaning, or ignoring minor wear and tear on electrical and mechanical components, the cumulative effect is a cart that can't perform reliably. Preventative maintenance is not just about fixing problems when they occur, It's about staying one step ahead. Follow the manufacturer's maintenance schedule, check components regularly, and address small issues before they escalate into costly repairs. By taking these steps, you can dramatically extend the life of your golf cart and avoid those frustrating breakdowns. In summary, the main culprits behind your golf cart's frequent breakdowns are often preventable issues, especially when it comes to battery care, solenoid and ignition maintenance, and keeping an eye on your mechanical components. Regular maintenance is the key to a smooth, reliable ride. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more in-depth maintenance guides, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or additional tips. Remember, a little preventive care today can save you a lot of headache and money tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and cheers to many more trouble-free rounds on the course. See you next time.